Christmas in the year.
Mom, I don't have that Christmas tree.
So
No, I didn't know. Don't know.
he loved the big beats. Hi fams, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. I hope you are doing fine wherever you're watching from. If you're new here, welcome, and nice to meet me. Nice to meet me and my family. Yeah, so today I'm just going to take you out with us. We're going for appointments and we'll go for some other things which I will carry you guys along. I just thought to start the vlog inside the car. It's better than never. So we are just you guys see, we are outside. This winter time we'll be going for some shopping for the kitchen. Yeah, I just nearly got another dishwasher yesterday. Yeah, it came yesterday and Obi fixed it. Yeah, so we want to get some things, some plates, new plates, because guys this life we have to like make use of everything that will make your life easy. Not stand there and be washing dishes every time. So anything that makes life simple, make life easy, I'm in for it. And I pray God provide money for me to enjoy soft life, beautiful life. We are in the hospital right now. He went to check his weight with his dad. I don't want to show you guys because I think she might not want me to do video. Yeah. Yeah. Say hello. I'll see you later. I know. So I went to pick the vine from school and we're waiting for my husband. They're still at the hospital. So they're here. So this is the time for them. Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello, Baba. See. Hi. So I'm speaking to take vaccine. The younger kid already had a vaccine. My husband had vaccine, so it's left for I and the vine. So we're in the right age. I brought the kids to the bathroom. Yeah.
That one is dirty.
It's dirty?
Yeah, there's another one. You have to get a shot.
Yeah, wash your hand properly. Use hot water. Wash it properly. One more time. I'm waiting. My husband has gone to the car with the kids. I am with the baby here waiting for my own vaccine. The van will not be taking vaccine here because insurance will not cover it. So that's why. I just took it. Yeah, so I'll be going to meet them in the car now. Yeah, look who is sitting down. Look who is sitting down. His own 7 months. Daniel. Oh, bless you. Oh. So we are back home. We couldn't go to Walmart today again. It's so tiring. So we are back and on his own. Daniel is 7 months old and is still fine to the glory of God. See you to God's glory. Yeah.
Mommy, I'm fine.
It's good to have food at home. Yeah, I'm already exhausted. You know, we had a long day. The soup, let me just show you. I went to carry it inside the freezer now. So I'll just prepare maybe semo now. Right now there is no okra, so I have this frozen one for a while now. So guys, let me show you the new what's it called, washer. This is the new washer. I've not used it. My husband was the one that fixed it. You guys know he can fix washer, so he can fix things at home. So Look at it, the brand new one. It's new, yeah. So I think this is where you put the rinse. I will ask from my husband the rinse and the soap, yeah, just like the old one. So that's it. And this is the name. I want to take trash outside. I have some like recycling here that I'll just put to recycling, yeah, a few plates, yeah. I'll just wash them with hand. Look outside, it's just 4:48 and it's so dark. It's really dark now. 4:48. It's so dark. Yeah, I'm going to take trash out. I will open this one down. I need to close it. See everywhere dark. Guys, I'll see you tomorrow.
The next day.
Hey fans, welcome back. Today is the next day. Like I told you that I'm going to take you along to places we are going. So this is the next day. Now we are in Walmart, yeah. So we just got to the parking lot and I was trying to do some things on my video that I uploaded for Vlogmas day 1. So guys, support the Vlogmas. Let's do this together and I know you enjoy our vlogs. So we are at Walmart now and it's just to 5. Everywhere is getting dark. You guys see, we are outside. I will see. Oh, this is your girl, yeah. Going to the mall, yeah. Okay. Yeah.
I want to push you by myself.
Yeah. Christmas in the air.
Mom, because I have that Christmas tree.
Go, just
Mom,
go.
how we do it?
Go.
I want to do it.
Devon, be careful. Magic by leg back.
What's Daddy?
So here is this one we are settling for, and it's dishwasher safe and microwave safe. 4 of it. It's just one of this. My husband loves it big, so
No, I didn't love it. Don't.
he loves the plate big so that the and everything will be there. Change it to this black one. Yeah,
Mommy.
it's bigger than the first one we took. And we are taking the big plates. I don't even know what they call this thing, salsa or whatever. All the plates, I said plates, cookwares. They are so lovely. Yeah. We are buying the mug. Yeah, it's a coffee mug. I'm going to do the unboxing with you guys. Yeah, Daddy special white. Take you around. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Christmas trees.
Stop. From this this is Femi in the customer service. I'd like to tip you well, okay? I'll help you scan all your items.
Yeah.
Fine, that's junk. We're not gonna scan that. You need an approval from your mama. Everybody's hungry.
Yay, we are going back. Yay. Baby, 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 see you.
The trash.
Yeah, put it in the trash. So we are back home, guys. Yeah, we went to the church from there. So these are the things we bought. We just unboxed. I didn't show you that pan organizer. You guys know. I will show you the new what is it called that we just got. This is for the kitchen soap pump. Yeah, so soap dispenser, let me put it that way. And you guys, I'll show you the plates we got. We got 6 of these. The new dishwasher, these are the new cup. Yeah, we got the 6 of these and 1 of that. We got this also. Guys, it's really beautiful. 6 of that and a mug. You guys, for you guys know we're in the cold weather for hot tea. So this is electric kettle, as you guys can see. Yeah, we got, you guys, I need new set of pots, so I got this. I didn't really see the one I love, but this one is really good. And see, I think it's the best one I see for now. It's an aluminium saucepan with the lid. I'm going to unbox it with you guys later. So, and the biggest one, yeah, for cooking. Yeah, that is those are the things we got. And I want to say thank you for coming with us in this Vlogmas, and I hope you enjoy it. And will you say, what will you say?
Hello guys, I'm helping.
That's why I removed the car for you guys. You know?
I want to prepare I've already cut it. Yeah, goat meat pepper soup with potatoes and some carrots for the cold weather. Yeah, so thank you for coming along with us. I will see you in the next video.
Have a thumbs up, guys.
Give us a thumbs up, a massive
Give us a thumbs up, guys.
and subscribe if you love what you see. Bye.
You are on to Grace Adelego TV.